welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day in Madeling's life. Happy Vlogmas day 6. Coffee. I need to wake my brain up. I need to recover from this weekend. We had a lot of fun. Now it's on grind mode. I'm about to go study for a couple hours of real estate. Take a couple of quizzes. Today's kind of full. I want to bake cookies. Babe's probably gonna make some crab legs and stuff for my mom. I wanted to make a pizza for lunch. What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna gut the entire place. Like, we're gonna deep clean. So we're like winter cleaning, getting rid of stuff we don't want, what we don't need. Just making more space. I'm trying to think what else. I can vlog that process, but it's not gonna be too fun. Like, I'm not gonna show y'all the crazy mess. Like, but anyways, yeah. So it's gonna be just chill vibes today, cleaning. Just a whole lot of in the house. Gotta order some groceries and stuff that we need, but that's pretty much it. But anyways, it's Monday. We blessed, we prayed up, blessed up, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so as you can see, I passed my test. I cleaned up a little bit. I need to do some laundry. I need to order some groceries. That's all, guys. See you soon.
Why would I say hi to a camera, man?
Hi!
It's vlogging. Is this what you usually say?
No.
Okay.
Give me on it. Hi! Hi!
Listen guys,
But she posted it and
it's running a little later on time, so I need to hurry up and get this up. But I did want to show you guys that Joshua's about to make some crab boil. Mama came through, and yeah, then we're ending Vlogmas day 6 right here, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Say bye, baby. Got some mussels, some turkey sausage, some corn, yeah, crab legs, what's that, lobster tail. Yes, sir.